Recording at high quality for your video, it's very imperative, very important if you want to get views on Instagram Reels. But that is not even as important as when you want to post it. When you want to post your videos, if you don't set your Instagram Reel properly, your video is going to get blurred, people are not going to watch it, and you just waste your time. How do you want to make sure that your video comes out very, very well, high quality? Let's check this video and see what I'm going to do to my Instagram settings for you to see what you can do to your videos. So first thing first, you want to go into your Instagram page. So you want to click on the hamburger on the top right corner. Then it brings you the settings and privacy. You want to click on the settings and privacy. Then under settings and privacy, you are going to see some other settings, and this is where we are going. This is where we want to set what is going to help us. So you are going to see data usage and media quality. This is where you want to click on. When you click on this, it's going to give you data saver. You are not going to turn on your data saver, you want to turn it off. Your data saver is going to save your data, then compromising your quality. Then how do you want your media to be uploaded? You want to upload at highest quality. It says always upload the highest quality photos and videos, even if uploading takes longer. When this is off, we automatically adjust upload quality to fit network conditions. You see, right? This is where you toggle on, and that's it. When you want to upload your reels, it comes out perfect, it comes out good, it comes out great. If you've learned something good, please kindly subscribe to this channel and wait for the next video and learn more.